Hey guys, so if you've been thinking about buying a home, you may have heard of something called down payment. But what you may not have heard of, or maybe haven't paid too much attention to, is something called closing costs. Now, down payment and closing costs are not the same. A down payment is a percentage of cash that you give your mortgage lender as an advance payment on your mortgage. So closing costs are accrued separate from a down payment, and they include fees such as loan origination, title, appraisal, and notary fees, just to name a few. Now, some of these fees go to the bank and others go to third parties such as the appraiser or the company that provides insurance coverage on your home's title. Now, although closing costs can vary based on your mortgage lender, typically they range from 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. This means that for every $100,000 that you pay for a home, you're typically going to pay about $2,000 to $5,000 of closing costs. So buyers are usually responsible for handling their own closing costs. However, you may be able to get the seller to pay for some or all of the expense. Now, before the actual closing, you have the right to know what these costs are, and your lender should provide you with a loan estimate that details what your anticipated closing costs will be. So if you spot something that seems inflated or you're not sure what that particular fee is for, ask your lender for a more detailed explanation. Now, hopefully I was able to provide some insight into the differences between closing costs and a down payment. Now, if you guys still have questions or aren't too sure still what the differences are, definitely feel free to reach out to a lender, or you can give me a call. My name is Gus Medrano with Main Street Realtors.